Today, I'm going to teach you how to report bugs in GitHub. This is an essential skill for anyone collaborating on software projects, as it helps your team track and fix issues systematically. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that has access to the repository where you need to report the bug. After logging in, you'll see the left panel on your dashboard. This is where all your repositories are listed. Navigate through this panel and click on the specific repository where you want to report the bug. Selecting the correct repository is crucial because it ensures your bug report reaches the right project team. Once you're inside the repository, look at the upper left toolbar. Here you'll find several tabs that help you navigate different sections of the project. Click on the tab labeled Issues. This section is specifically designed for tracking bugs, feature requests, and other project-related discussions. It's the central hub where teams manage their workflow and address problems. Now in the right panel of the Issues page, you'll see a button that says New Issue. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a form where you can document the bug you've encountered. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a title in the field provided. Your title should be concise but descriptive enough to give team members an immediate understanding of what the bug is about. Something like login button not responding on mobile works better than just button broken. Next, move down to the description field. This is where you'll add all the relevant details about the bug. Include information like what you were doing when the bug occurred, what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and any steps someone else could follow to reproduce the issue. The more detailed your description, the easier it will be for developers to understand and fix the problem. After filling in the description, navigate to the right panel where you'll see several options for organizing your issue. First, locate Assignees and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showing team members who can be assigned to this issue. Select the assignees you want to handle this bug report. This ensures the right people are notified and can prioritize the work accordingly. Next, still in the right panel, navigate to Labels and click on it. You'll see a list of available labels that help categorize issues. Find the checkbox beside Bug and check it. This label immediately signals to everyone viewing the issues list that this is a bug report rather than a feature request or general discussion. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information, assigned the right people, and added the appropriate label, click the Create button. Your bug report is now submitted and visible to the entire team. They'll receive notifications and can begin investigating the issue right away. And there you have it. You've successfully reported a bug in GitHub using the Issues feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.